Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping both devices, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging on the phone because a DB needs it to talk. Once done, install Android SDK platform tools and make sure a DB is in your path so Android Studio can find devices. Connect with a good USB cable, plug into a USB 3.0 port if available, and accept any RSA key prompts on the phone. This immediate setup gets the communication channel alive and prevents common permission issues. Now configure Android Studio, open the terminal and run a DB devices to verify the phone appears. If it does, Android Studio will list it as a deployment target. In run/debug configurations, choose your module, set the build variant, and pick the phone as the target device. Make sure instant run or apply changes settings match your workflow. This speeds iterative testing. If Gradle build stalls, check the selected JDK and Gradle daemon. These often affect deployment speed and reliability. Finally, deploy. Press run or debug and Android Studio builds and installs the APK to your phone. Watch Logcat for runtime errors and stack traces. If the device disappears, restart a DB with a DB kill server and a DB start server, then reconnect. This often fixes stubborn connections. Make sure the phone is in file transfer mode and you accepted the debug RSA prompt, otherwise installation will fail. If problems persist, reboot both phone and PC, then recheck drivers and USB settings to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.